Hi friend, Marian here. So last Sunday, we visited a new store in SM North EDSA near Book Sale. So KKV store. So we check yung mga products nila. So there's a lot of mga products. Parang a big miniso siya. Or tama, miniso. Or Daiso. Ganyan. Marami siyang products. So since malapit yun sa Book Sale, yan. We have a haul from Book Sale, SM North. Although yan, nire-renovate yung that side of the SM North. So, nag-worry tayo, baka mapektuhan si Book Sale. So, sana naman, wag, no? Yung ating go-to store is Book Sale, diba? So, yung mga ibang SM, like Santa Rosa, ang pa ba? San Pablo, SM San Pablo. Nawala na ang mga book sale natin doon. So, sana huwag naman mawala ang book sale in SM North. Ayan, we have, madami ang ating haul. Yeah, share natin sa inyo ang ating haul. So, yan ang ating this is what makes us happy. Ang ating mga books. Ay, nasira na yung ating papel. Sayang naman, magagamit pa natin sa craft. Kaya lang nasira na punit-punit na siya. We need the resibo. We have to keep the resibo. Manipis na rin yung paper packaging ng books. Kaya, so ito, this is our first is the Family Project Devotional. Ayan. 40 pesos. And 365 days of drawing. So, makapal siya. Oh. Maraming activity, prompts that we can do in our artistic journey. Ayan. Then, the 1-minute gratitude journal. So, you have yung daily things that you would like to appreciate. And ito ang ating biggest 250 siya, the outward workbook. So nakita natin siya, we can use them sa mga activities, exercises for our training program. Kaya binili natin siya kahit expensive siya. 250 pesos siya, but yun, we can use in our training modules, yung mga activities niya. Inisa-isa natin yung mga activities that we can use. So, yan ang ating haul from Book Sale, SM North. Yan. So, yan. Keep on reading. Keep on watching our vlog. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.